Starbucks said on the Monday it is forming a joint venture with the Chinese investment firm Buo Capital to operate Starbucks stores in China. Also under the agreement, the Buo also will acquire 60% interest in the Starbucks retail operations in China, which is valued at $4 billion. The Starbucks will also retain a 40% interest in the joint venture and will also own and license the Starbucks brand. The Starbucks said its business in China will have a total value of more than $13 billion, including the proceeds from the sale of the controlling interest to the Buo and also the value of its 40% stake and the value of its royalties. The Starbucks entered China almost 30 years ago and has been credited with growing coffee culture in the country. China is Starbucks' second largest market outside the United States with over 8,000 locations. But in the recent years, the Seattle coffee giant has struggled in China with the cheap, fast-growing Chinese startups like the Luckin Coffee. Starbucks same-store sales in China have fallen in both of its last 2 fiscal years. As a result, Starbucks has been looking for a partner to help it grow its business in China, particularly in the smaller cities. In July, the Starbucks chairman and the CEO, Brian Niccol, also said that the company was evaluating around 20 offers for a stake in the company. Niccol said Monday that Buo shares Starbucks' commitment to providing a great experience for both the customer and employees. It also helps Starbucks achieve its goal of growing to 20,000 stores in China over time, Niccol said. Buo's deep local knowledge and expertise will also help accelerate our growth in China, especially as we expand into the smaller cities and new regions, Niccol said in the statement. Buo Capital partner Alex Wong also said that the Starbucks has built a deep connection with the Chinese consumers over nearly 3 decades. This partnership reflects our shared belief in the enduring strength of that brand and the opportunity to bring even great innovation and local relevance to the consumers across China, Wong said in the statement. Starbucks China headquarters will remain in Shanghai. The Buo Capital, which was founded in 2011, has offices in Shanghai, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Beijing. The company said they expect to finalize the deal in the second quarter of the Starbucks 2026 fiscal year. The Starbucks 2026 fiscal year began on September 29th. Starbucks shares were flat in the after-hours trading.